finally, I'll be watching Les Miserables, the Spectacular World Tour. First time mo sa Theater at Soler, I got you. Nag-grab lang ako, dito ka ida-drop off sa entrance ng Theater at Soler. Diba, hindi siya mukhang entrance, mukhang parking lot siya. Pero don't worry, you just have to walk towards the end. Follow mo lang yung mga tao, tapos mapupunta ka dyan sa the shops. So walk ka lang, and ayan, makikita mo the shopes. Shopes! Igigreet ka ng mga friendly Soler staff natin. Then, you have to go through the scanner. Simple lang. After makalagpas sa security, lakad ka lang hanggang sa maabutan mo yung first escalator. So, iakyat mo lang yung escalator na yan at nandoon ka na, be. By the way, I'll be watching this with my best friend. Ito yung bubungad sa'yo, medyo maraming tao kasi around 7:30 na yan. And if you want to get your physical tickets, you can line up on this counter. Pwede ka mag-picture-picture dyan sa red carpet nila. Since trentahin na kami ng best friend ko, parang wala na kaming patience pumila pa sa ganun. So, ito naman yung mga Les Mis merch. May tote bag, may pin, may mug, may t-shirt. At kung nagtitipid ka, iwasan mo tong part na to kasi baka mapabili ka. Good thing I have my e-badge. Customizable kasi yan, so nilagyan ko lang ng Les Mis. Ilalagay ko lang sa yellow basket kung saan ko nakuha yan. Towards door 6, meron din naman mga merch booth. And dito, wala pang pila, so huwag na kayo magsisikan doon. Here are the prices of the merch. So we're now excited to get in. Ayun, pagpasok nyo guys, marami pang mga red carpet pictorial dyan. At my age, kahit selfie lang okay na sa akin. Parang ayoko na magpagod. If you're hungry or thirsty, you can always grab a snack. But again, you cannot bring it in. Eto na, papasok na kami. This is my second time sa Theater at Soler. And first time, nasa baba naman kami nakalokate. Medyo lumalabo na kasi yung mata ko, guys. Yung experience ko noon sa Miss Saigon sa balcony, hindi ko masyado na-appreciate kasi hindi ko makita yung character. Eto ata yung part na nakalimutan nung nasa likod namin. Or ka pumasok, sinasabihin ka ng mga don'ts sa theater. Which includes talking. For some reason, yung nasa likod namin, wala talaga siyang theater etiquette. Anyway, this is our chair. Located at J1, J2. Orchestra right yan. Sobrang natuwa ako sa legroom kasi sa balcony, magkadikit na yung tuhod mo dun sa upuan. Kaya I don't mind paying extra just for that leg room. So, ito na yung stage design, guys. So, video muna kami ni Bessie, LM, Les Mis. So, i-ads ko lang yung e-badge ko. Bilhin nyo na para may budget pa ako manood ng theater. Ito naman yung view sa center. Yes, may magkabila ang LED screen yan para makita mo talaga yung face ng character. So, it is the curtain call na. Grabe, sobrang galing nilang lahat. I mean, Les Mis na yan eh. What do you expect? And seeing Rachel Ango and Lea Salonga on stage, well, that was an experience. Yung pinaka-favorite ko sa play na to si Javert talaga. I think he's one of the best Javert that I've seen in theater. Kaya deserve talaga nila ng standing ovation, mga bae. Kaya sa mga pupunta dyan, make sure mag-standing ovation kayo. Kundi, naku, ako ang kakanta para sa inyo, charot. Anyway guys, this was really a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Bought this ticket even before knowing na cast pala si Lea Salonga and Rachel Ango. Because we love Les Mis so much. And glad we did kasi nag-ubusan yung ticket nung nalaman na si Lea Salonga na. And as I can see in Ticket World, allocation exhausted na siya. So guys, habang available pa yung mga favorite shows ninyo, dapat binibili nyo na agad. And don't miss out on a chance on a once-in-a-lifetime experience.